Today I thought I'd do a swipe to create a sunset colored background and then use a stencil to create some butterflies against the sunset. To help create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and then giving them a quick stir. Each of these base colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. You can find all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using today listed in the description box. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged into swipe. I'm just dragging this along very slowly and gently. I've attached the stencil to the dry painting using some painter's tape, and now I'm just going to apply some black paint to create the butterflies. I'm trying to use very small amounts of paint to try and help avoid it going underneath the stencil. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, not too bad. I just need to clean up some of the edges a little bit. To do that, I'm using a firm paintbrush dipped in water. And here we go with a quick close-up. I'd love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments. As always, thank you for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.